I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way. I've been spending so much time swimming up against the tide.
Hey guys, so today I'm taking my truck out, just exploring some fun back roads I haven't been on before, and while I'm at it, I'm trying out a new camera mount that I got for my action cameras. This is called Snap Mount, and Snap Mount has an action camera mount here, and then a plate with magnets in all four corners. Now this actually comes apart. It's two pieces with magnets on both sides. So what you can do is put this side inside your shirt, and then the other side is going to magnetically stick to it, and now you have a chest mount minus all of the harness and stuff that's always annoying and tight and hot and all that kind of stuff. And that's not the only thing you can do with Snap Mount. You can hook this thing all kinds of cool places, especially on your car. It's gonna obviously stick to any metal surface, so you can mount it basically anywhere on your car, including on the windows, because you can put this side of the Snap Mount inside the window and the other side on the outside, and it'll hold your action camera onto your window. I've been able to get quite a few cool shots hooking this all over the place on the truck, the hood, the roof, the tailgate. Alright, I've got the Snap Mount here. I extended it out with a little selfie stick. Have the Insta360 on the other side. And that's just gonna go right here. Perfect.
For so long, we've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older.
I've discovered that it's really nice to be able to store the camera actually on the ceiling in my car, so then if I want to record myself, I can just hit the record button, or if there's something cool outside that I want to film, I can really quickly just pull it off of the ceiling, reach out the window, set it on the roof, and I'm recording whatever it is that I'm driving past in like 1 second. And it used to be that I have to pull over, use like a suction cup mount, make sure that there's like no dust on the roof, climb up on the roof, try to get the suction cup mount to stick, and it took a lot of time. And now it's like, boom, camera's inside. Boom, camera's outside. It's so fast and usable that I'm getting a lot more shots than I would have before. Snap Mount comes with several different mounting plates so that you can leave these mounting plates on different pieces of camera equipment. So I have one on my tripod, I have one on a selfie stick. This makes it really fast to switch between what your camera's connected to. So it's on my chest mount, now it's on my selfie stick, now it's on a tripod, all just within a matter of seconds. I think this company has really created something very unique and very helpful, and I'm always really excited anytime I find a piece of camera gear that speeds up my filmmaking process. It makes it easier, it makes it faster, I can spend less time focused on my gear, more time focused on the adventure that I'm having and documenting that adventure in a way that doesn't distract me from the adventure itself. And that's exactly what Snap Mount does. It just streamlines the process. So if you guys want a Snap Mount, there's obviously links in the description below. Go check those out. Go watch some of my other videos, and I will see you guys next time.
Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way. I've been spending so much time swimming up